Hey there, cool ideas crew. Get ready to be mind blown because Japan just unleashed the Arma, an e-scooter that folds smaller than a briefcase. I'm not talking about those foldable scooters you throw in your backpack. This thing is on another level. So, imagine a scooter that weighs only 10 pounds, and when folded, it's the size of a piece of printer paper. Yeah, you heard me right. Shimizu, the mastermind behind this contraption, claims it's the world's smallest and lightest, and while we won't start a scooter size war, the Arma is undeniably compact. This scooter is like the James Bond of last mile transport, swift, sleek, and fits in anywhere. Need to hop on public transportation? No problem. Just throw it in your messenger bag. Heading to a high-rise office? Easy. It's practically a briefcase with a handle. This scooter is the definition of convenience. But here's the kicker. It's not just about being compact. It's about that battery game. The Arma comes with a swappable battery platform. Imagine swapping out your drained battery like changing the magazine in a Nerf gun. Shimizu estimates each battery can take you 7 to 9 miles, and with a top speed of 14.9 miles per hour, it's zippy enough for the urban jungle. Now, the folding mechanism is a work of art. Forget about the classic single-jointed stem. The Arma has multiple joints that fold down to a size that can rival your laptop. The whole process takes less than 30 seconds. Talk about efficiency. And did I mention it charges via USB-C in about 2 hours? That's quicker than most meetings. Plus, it supports riders up to 220 pounds, so unless you're riding with a grand piano, you should be good. Shimizu showcased the prototype at the Japan Mobility Show, and they're currently refining it through Kickstarter. You can get in on the action for as low as $920, and that includes a spare battery. If that doesn't scream future of commuting, I don't know what does. So, hit subscribe, and let's roll into a world where scooters are as compact as your morning newspaper. Arma, where size meets swag.